Hey guys, it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share this look with you, so let's get started. So the first thing that I try to do if I can remember is use my Baby Skin Pore Eraser, and I mainly focus that on my cheeks here on the side of my nose just because my pores right there are usually pretty bad. Next, I'm using my Revlon Colorstay foundation in 150, and I'm just dotting that all around my face and then blending it in with my beauty blender in a patting motion. Now I'm using my Covergirl Concealer in shade Light, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyes in a triangle shape. I'm also going to be putting that on my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, my forehead, and even under my cheekbones where I would do my contour. And now using a smaller beauty blender, I am just blending all of that in. Next, I'm going to contour my face using my Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette in Dulce de Leche along with a fluffy angled brush, and I'm mostly focusing on my cheekbones here, and the concealer that I had put under where I would put my contour just helps to sharpen that up a little bit. The other places that I'm putting the contour along my forehead, under my chin, under my lips, and around my nose. And now I'm just realizing that I forgot to actually set my face with my powder, so I am going to be using my Fit Me pressed powder by Maybelline, and this is in 120 Classic Ivory, and I am using the same flat powder brush that I used to blend out my contour to pat this all over my face to set my foundation. And this isn't too bad because any harsh lines that I had made from my contour, this powder will blend out. Next, I am going into a highlight using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighter in shade Ice Cold, and I am using what I believe to call a highlight brush, and I'm putting this on my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, forehead, and chin, and in the corners of my eyes. Next, I'm using my Hard Candy brow powder in medium dark with an angled brush, and I'm just quickly filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to go off camera with this because I do my eyebrows the same every time. For my eyeshadow, I am using this new palette by the Color Workshop. The first color I'm using is Secret. This next one here is called Vixen, and I'm putting both of those in my crease to add like a transition color and some shading. The third color is called Whisper. I am using that under my brow bone. This next one is called Giggle. I'm putting that on the lid of my eye. This one is called Fetish, and I'm putting that in the middle to add a little pop of color. This next one is called Risqué, if I'm pronouncing that right, and I'm adding that to the end to add a bit more of a darker color and some more depth to my eye. I'm using my powder brush to brush away any fallout, and now I'm going to be using my Kiss Demi Whispies lashes and some Kiss adhesive to secure them. Now I'm using my favorite mascara called The Falsies by Maybelline, and I'm putting that on my upper eyelashes to blend my real ones with the false ones, and I'm adding just a little bit of mascara on the bottom ones, and this little brush that I used really quick has a tiny bit of that Vixen color, and I'm just using a little bit of that to add some color to the bottom of my eyes. And this eyeliner pencil is by Wet n Wild. It's Megalast in 690A Blackest Black, and I'm putting that on my top and bottom waterline. For lipstick, I'm using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Nude Lipstick in Celebrity Skin. Finally, to finish off my look, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray to keep my makeup fresh. That is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it super simple and easy, and of course affordable since you can get it at a drugstore. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time. Bye!